Foamposite Pro Island Green, originally released in September 2017, stands as one of the most iconic foamposite models in the last decade. With a futuristic turquoise shell inspired by seafoam, paired with a gleaming chrome jewel swoosh, the sneaker offered both nostalgia and bold innovation. Black details on the collar, eyestays, and tongue provided balance, while its icy translucent outsole gave the design a polished finish. Engineered with a carbon fiber midfoot shank, the pair ensured stability and support for performance yet appealed equally to lifestyle wearers. Collectors continue to admire its striking contrast, the metallic accents against the aqua base, cementing its reputation as a must-have in sneaker culture. Though no longer available at retail stores, resale platforms such as StockX still reflect its ongoing demand. The Island Green remains celebrated for its energetic aesthetic, unique palette, and timeless influence in footwear fashion.